Myself, Maharana, lecturer in chemical engineering. Today, I am going to study about acid and base. So first of all, what is acid? Acid is a substance that gives H plus ion in aqueous solution. What is base? Base is also a substance that gives OH minus in aqueous solution. There are two types of acids, that means strong acid and weak acid, like this, also strong base and weak base. So what is strong acid? Strong acid means which the acid that gives H plus ion, sufficient amount of H plus ion in aqueous solution. One of the strong acid example is HCl and also H2SO4 and HNO3, because these three acids give sufficient amount of H plus ion in aqueous solution. So one of the strong base is also NaOH, sodium hydroxide, because it gives sufficient amount of OH minus ion in aqueous solution. Like this, weak base, weak acid is also acetic acid, CH3COOH, because it gives very small little or small quantity of H plus ion in aqueous solution. And one of the weak base is also KOH, potassium hydroxide. It also gives small amount of OH minus ion in aqueous solution. So our topic is CPI. So what is the full form of CPI? CPI means chemical process industry. There are a number of acids which is required day to day in our life, in industry, in our domestic purpose, in also our laboratory purpose. So it must be prepared by industry. So according to 4th sem chemical engineering branch, one of the acid is nitric acid. Its formula is HNO3. So nitric acid is also very important for our daily life. First of all, any acids, if you want to prepare nitric acid, raw materials must be required. So what is the formula for nitric acid? HNO3. So HNO3, molecular mass, we have to find the molecular mass of HNO3. So what is the formula? HNO3. So what are the elements present here? One of the element is hydrogen, another is nitrogen, another is oxygen. One part is hydrogen, one part is nitrogen, and three parts of oxygen. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of nitrogen is also 14, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16 into 3 parts. So total addition of atomic mass is known as molecular mass. So 1 plus 14 plus 48 is equal to 63 is the molecular mass of nitric acid. Nitric acid can be produced by ammonia oxidation process. One of the process is ammonia oxidation process. By ammonia oxidation process, nitric acid can be prepared. So ammonia oxidation process, any process or any product, raw materials must be required. So what are the raw materials? Ammonia, filtered air, catalyst like platinum, rhodium. These are the catalysts required for manufacture of nitric acid. So this is the flow sheet of nitric acid. So this is storage tank, this is compressor, this is converter where 800 degree centigrade is required. Another is a superheater. This is heat recovery boiler. This is where catalysts are used in this section. This is exhaust gas, and this is air is into the compressor. This is heater. This is water evaporator, in which diluted acid is removed at last by the oxidation and absorption tower 40 to 50 degree centigrade. At last about 93 to 96% of pure nitric acid is produced. So how nitric acid is produced? This is the process of compressed air. First, compressed air is mixed with anhydrous ammonia fed to a cell and a tubes converter. Second, this is ammonia storage tank. First, ammonia storage tank, ammonia goes to compressor. then it goes to converter, superheater, and heat recovery boiler. In this section, the preheater and a steam heat recovery boiler superheater are within the same reactor cell. The converter section consists of 10 to 30 sheets of platinum alloy in the form of 60 to 80 mesh wire packed in a layer inside the tube. Gas passes down with a velocity time about 2.5 to 10 to the minus 4 second in the catalyst zone at 800 degree centigrade. This is the 800 centigrade here. Product gases from the reactor containing now sent through heat recovery units. This is heat recovery units. Heat recovery units. In this section, product gases from the reactor containing now sent to three heat contain recovery units. A quench uniform rapid cooling to remove the large fraction of the product heat and into the oxidation absorption system. This is oxidation and absorption system. What is oxidation and reduction? Oxygen means addition of oxygen. So in this section, large fraction of the product heat and into the oxidation absorption system, air is added to convert to NO to NO2. Nitrous oxide to nitrous dioxide को convert है यहाँ पर हो रहा है. At low temperature, that means 40 to 50 degree centigrade. The equipment in the absorption tower may be a series of packed observer. The product from this water absorption system is HNO3. At last we found HNO3, which is 93 to 96% of pure nitric acid is produced. So this is all about the flow sheet or process of nitric acid. So what are the uses of nitric acid? It is used for fertilizer. Nitric acid is used for fertilizer. It is also used for purification of jewelry. It is used for plastic and manufacture of dyes. It is also used for explosives such as nitroglycerin, and at last it is also used as a good strong oxidizing agent. This is all about the uses of nitric acid. So nitric acid is very important in our life. Now I have also taught you all about flow sheet, process and uses of nitric acid. This is over, and the topic was manufacture of nitric acid. Thank you all of you.